how to share Instagram story to WhatsApp status. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how you can share your Instagram story directly into your WhatsApp account status. It's very simple. So the very first thing that you want to have to do is to do the whole process first on your Instagram application. Make sure that you're logged in. So right now, let's just go ahead and add our own story. Now, once you successfully added your story, so for example, this one, you're gonna have to wait for a couple of seconds for it to successfully load. Now, once your story has been added, all I have to do next is to choose on the send option. Now, scroll to your right and then choose on WhatsApp. And then from here, you should be able to see my status, which is indicating as a WhatsApp logo. Hit that, then choose on this arrow pointing to your right. That will confirm it. And then choose on the share button once again for you to be able to complete the whole process. And that's it. That's how you share Instagram story to WhatsApp status.